Today in this video we'll see how you can download a video on your Amazon Prime. So let's get started. It looks like a down arrow in a box, and if you go there you can see no videos downloaded yet. So go to the home, like search for the video which you like. For example, I'll pick up one video which I have recently watched, and you can see an option called download there, which I've highlighted. If you click on that, automatically it'll ask you for the size for which you want to download. So you can see the available space is the available space in my phone. The best quality takes 1.29 GB like when it's downloaded. The other size is like better 0.73 GB, 0.5 and 0.34. So you can click on a checkbox to make this a default setting, and so let me just select a data saver for now. Click on this checkbox and click on start download. Once I click on start download, you can see something is called queuing is happening there, and the download will start. And you can see here that in Prime Video the download is getting started. Currently it's 0%, it's queuing. Maybe my network speed is little low, that's the reason it's taking a little more time. And once it gets started, once it is completed, I guess whenever you open Amazon Prime, even in an offline mode, you'll be able to see the video here. As you can see in the download section, previously when we have started there was nothing here, but now you can see it here. So I'll just show you how to remove the downloads also. So you can see currently the download is in progress. So if I click on this pause button, or click on this options button, you can see pause download, cancel download and view details. So if I click on pause download, the download gets paused. I don't know, maybe due to some network issue it's not responding as expected. If I click on cancel download, the download gets cancelled. So this is the way you can download a video on Amazon Prime, and you can access the downloads through this download section, and you can add like you can remove the downloads which you have previously watched from here. Hope this video was helpful in understanding how to download a video on Amazon Prime. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any other queries related to this topic or any others which we discuss on this channel, let me know through the comment section. I'll try to make a video and help you on that. And make sure that you update your app to the latest version before attempting this, because due to the streaming and bandwidth issues during Corona, a lot of changes are happening. That's the reason they might be updating the app, and if you're not able to download properly, then that also might be an issue. So try to update to the latest version of Amazon Prime and do that. How to check whether your app is a latest version or not? Just go to Play Store and like search for Amazon Prime, and if you see you can see two options called uninstall or open. If you see something called as update, then you have to click on update. In the open place there will be something called update. So if you have any older version or you don't have the latest version, then you will get update as update button in the place of open, so you have to update it at that time. Hope this video was helpful. Bye. Have a nice day.
You say you wanna try, but you never do.